If you would have told me a year ago that in just a few short months, I would quit my job with no backup plan, go viral for using my gifts, and receive the Presidential Lifetime Achievement Award and take the leap of faith to go into entrepreneurship full time, I would have told you was crazy. But that's exactly what happened. A few months ago, I walked away from my 9-to-5, overworked, burnt out, undervalued, and feeling like my creativity was being stifled. I knew deep down I was made for more. As I grew closer to God, He began to remind me of my worth, that I was made in His image, designed for purpose. And that meant I ain't have to settle for less. Mama got options, okay? I've spent years leading digital marketing and e-commerce strategy for major brands. But before I was a corporate girly, I was a creative entrepreneur. I started a clothing brand my freshman year of college and just knew I was going to become a big-time fashion designer someday. I showcased in numerous fashion shows, including New York Fashion Week, auditioned for Project Runway, and even launched a bridal collection. Then the pandemic came, and I was forced to shut down my operations. Devastated, I began to draw closer to God, serve more within my community, focus on my career, and even discover new passions like my love for YouTube and interior design. It wasn't until last year that God finally gave me the green light to start again. But this time, with Him in the driver's seat. So what now, Britt? Well, I'm glad you asked. I will be creating a fashion home decor line, and I want to take you all on a journey with me. But not only that, I'm now on a mission to help other faith-led entrepreneurs just like you build businesses on purpose, generate income, and give you the freedom to design the life that you were called to live. With my background in web design and digital strategy, I've helped big brands generate millions of dollars, and now I'm bringing those same proven strategies to you. If you're ready to turn your ideas into impact, master your online presence, and grow a brand that honors both your creativity and your faith, you're in the right place. Subscribe now for weekly videos on all things faith, fashion, home decor, and entrepreneurship. And if you need expert advice, be sure to check out my web design services. The link is in the description. This is just the beginning, and I cannot wait to take this journey with you all. See you all in my next video. Bye.